Hey, how's it going? Let me just quickly tell you what has been happening for the last few days.
But before that, what you need to know about me is that I'm like a raven.
Dude, you are Raven. Raven all.
Shut up, man.
Okay.
What I mean to say is, I'm like a raven when it comes to remembering people's faces. But when it comes to knowing their birthdays, I'm like.
Gajini.
Anyway, I think I don't give somehow, attention to that.
From May to August is like exciting birthdays filled set of months.
May 21st was Advait's birthday. I had no idea until KJ put up a message on the group. Last time, for Advait's birthday, we went to a night show. Advait hated it. For now, let's just blame it on the lockdown for not remembering and just move on. Chandan, my cousin's birthday, is on 29th of May. So he got his gift, and my mom's birthday is on June 6th. Dad's on July 14th. And last but not the least, on August 15th, which is again a very special day. It is. I also had a haircut below the stars, ate a cupcake in the midnight, and tasted this food from Chopsticks. Momos were excellent. And been experiencing this crazy rains in Bangalore.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दो पिक्चर अभी बाकी है
Going to get that. Chandan? I was actually in a meeting, so I couldn't leave immediately. Dad is waiting there. I think it's been already 5-10 minutes that he's been waiting. Right now. Did you hear that?
Would you rather receive small gifts every now and then or await an expensive gift once a year, which may or which may not really come? And come on, let's be honest here, even when it freaking does, most of our energy is spent in trying to show it off or, trying to get some kind of attention for the piece of crap jewelry that we own.
Because for some reason, when you put on something expensive, you step outside, you expect people to go, "That's expensive." Like they don't know.
But simple things satisfy us. I mean, get your mom something small and see how her heart goes. My friend's roommate leaves small notes. Simple things are so powerful because thoughts are invested in them. This is Ravenall. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, and if this did add any kind of value to you, then consider sharing it with your friends.
Don't be selfish.
No, they're not.
Better not be.
Stay safe and cheers.
That was amazing, wasn't it? So I'm playing Dota after almost like 3-4 months now. So let's see how it goes.
A few moments later.
I was looking for.
ಪಪ್ಪು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡಿದ್ಯಾ
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
ಯಾರಿಗೆ